Hi guys, Birds here. Today I'm going to talk about virtual LANs or VLANs. So a single LAN is equivalent to a single broadcast domain. And the default VLAN at least on Cisco switches is actually VLAN 1. And that is the same uh, default VLAN for every switch port as well. All devices connected to the VLAN receive broadcasts sent by any other VLAN members. Devices connected to a different VLAN will not receive those same broadcasts. So it's like having people in the same room shouting to each other, and the other people from a different room should not be able to hear the people from the from another room. So this is basically what this means. And VLAN is equivalent to broadcast domain, and broadcast domain is equivalent to a subnet. So if you want the devices to be able to communicate, if you want devices to be from a VLAN to be able to communicate with devices from another VLAN, you would use a layer 3 or router to uh, to route the traffic between VLANs. And this is how you configure VLANs. So in this case, I'm just configuring VLAN 3. Let me just open the topology here. Just, a switch connected to a PC here. So I'm going to I'm going to configure VLAN 3 on the switch and um, configure this port to belong to VLAN 3. Yeah, just don't mind that command, that error message, because I'm actually using a switch here. This is another switch, but I just changed the icon to look like a PC. All right, so let me configure VLAN 3, and that's it. That's how you can configure VLAN. And VLAN 3, I think you have to exit first. Yeah. Now we see VLAN 3. This should be 4x. Yeah. All right, but in this case, I'm going to use a name for VLAN 3. So I'm going to just copy and paste that command, save, and this is how you assign a port to a VLAN. So in this case, like I said, it's configuring this port here to belong to VLAN 3. And so here, what this command does is basically configuring this port to be a access port. And this is the command uh, to make this port, to configure this port to belong to VLAN 3 and save. And these are the verification commands to verify the um, VLAN configurations. So if you notice here that all the other ports belong to VLAN 1, and VLAN 1, like we said earlier, is the default one. And this is the VLAN that we configured, VLAN 3, and we configured this port to belong to this VLAN, like I said. All right, and there's another command, which is this one. It's not giving, I mean, yeah, the output is shorter, or yeah, shorter. And we see the same ports that belong to VLAN 1, and this port belongs to VLAN 3. And yeah, so we just have to, or yeah, we just have to remember that, like I was saying earlier, all the devices connected to VLAN will only receive the broadcast messages sent by any other VLAN or devices from that same VLAN. If those devices want to communicate with different devices from a different VLAN, we have to use a layer 3 device or a router. So yeah, that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.